Hi friends, welcome to Aparna's Green Garden channel. In this episode I will show you how to propagate household plants or indoor plants through stem cuttings and watered medium. So I have already taken around 10 to 12 varieties of plants and I have put the stem cuttings into my water in the glass container and I have propagated them. So they have all put out the roots nicely. It's been more than 15 days all these things. They have put out the roots more than 15 days back. So yes, they require around 1 week to 10 days of time to put out the roots, new roots, based on the type of the plant you have with you. I have Monstera variety plant and I have snake plant here and ZZ plant and then syngoniums, and here I have dumpkins, and then I have here impatiens, and this is one of the leafy vegetable plants which I have just tried in home. Yes, they will work. Even like you can try with mint, oregano, basil or anything, they will put out roots in the water, so you can even try any of them. And here I have money plant or pothos, and here I have a variety of coleus plant. Apart from that, I have here this wandering Jew, 2 varieties, and then these are all the varieties of philodendron plant. I have around here 3 to 4 varieties here in these bottles. So basically the items which you would be requiring in order to propagate would be some see-through containers, be it glass or plastic, water, and of course your cuttings, and you are ready to go. So I can say that this method is very easy even for the beginners. So the reason I have chosen glass containers or some see-through containers is for two different reasons. One would be I will be able to monitor the progress, see like how much the roots have developed on the plant here. I will be able to monitor the progress of it. And other thing is, second thing is, light will be able to penetrate into the through the see-through container to the roots. Light will be available for the plant. So that is one more reason. Now let's go into the garden and start taking the stem cuttings. I will show you how to put it in the water, and we will discuss do's and don'ts when we are doing it. So let's get started. So now first let's start with the cuttings. Here I have this moss rose plant. I have two varieties. One is this white color flower and other one is this pink color flower one. You see here, these are all the nodes where new leaves have emerged. I'm just making a cut just right below the node. See, this is right below the node. See, these leaves have all emerged from this node. So I have just taken the slice and right below the node. So this is the point where you will have to make a cutting. So now that next is this philodendron, one of the variety of philodendron. So if you see this philodendron plant has root like things which are hanging. These are called aerial roots, and if you see here, these aerial roots usually form typically at node. See, if you see here, this is a node where new set of leaves are emerging out, and you have near each node some aerial roots also. So I am making a cut right below this node. So I have here two nodes. So and I have made a clean cut below this. And when you are making a cut, try to make it as a 45-degree cut, so that it will have more surface area when it is trying to put out the roots. So here you go. I have this philodendron cutting, one of the variety of philodendron. This is money plant, and here also for money plant also it has got aerial roots near the nodes. If you see, these are aerial roots. All I will take is one small cut just right below this aerial node. I am just making a cut here. So this is wandering Jew plant. Here also I will take the cuttings just below the node. Any of the node, all you can do is just based on the length of cutting, all you need is 2 or 3 nodes in the stem for the plant to survive. I am just making a cut here and I am taking. So this is a small cutting I have taken. So now let's move on to the next cutting. So the same way it goes for impatiens plant also. I have chosen, at least it has got 3 or 4 nodes on the stem, and I am making a cut here. However, for the snake plant, if you notice, there will not be any nodes. So it's okay. All you have to do is just take cut somewhere. So let me take this anyway. Now this has got damaged. What I will do is I will just take a small piece of cutting here itself. So all I have taken is some small pieces, one or two. So this is one of the varieties of this Chinese evergreen or this dumb canes. So let me show you an example. So I'll just make a cut right beneath this. See? So now here I have taken one see-through container here. And of course this is not a glass one, this is a plastic one. So all you have to do is ensure that this node goes into the water. On this wandering Jew or anything, all you have to do is just remove the lower leaves and place it in the water. So and you have to wait for a few days, and then yes, they will start putting out new roots. So somewhere it takes between 7 to 10 days, and they will put out new roots. I hope this makes things very clear. So now that you have seen how the water propagation is doing water propagation is very simple. I hope beginners you will not find it very difficult whenever you bring some cuttings and propagate your plant. And in case you have any other difficulties, please write down to us in our comments box below. Until the next video, stay safe, take care, and wear masks whenever you are stepping outside and practice social distancing. Thank you so much.